Hi everyone, so we're here today to talk about a piece of equipment that I use for my camp cooking and my instructional videos that you may have seen some done. It's a brand called Gelert here in the UK. It's a 2-stove burner, so we just open the lid. We've got 2 burners. I think they're about 12 to 1500 watts, not too sure. And we have a grill in the middle. We have an injection just for the 2 burners. Unfortunately, when I was cooking one time, I believe it was this side, it caught a light underneath. You may see the stains yet, little brown marks there where the plastic melted on the burner knob. This one is actually from the middle, and I haven't been able to find any new ones. So in conclusion, £40 I paid 5-6 years ago. Not bad. There are some things that could be better. It's bulky, but if you get the thinner ones you don't get this little bit of metal protecting you from the wind. If anyone knows where to buy the plastic knobs from for these ones, or the rear gas tube, that would be good, or Gelert if you're watching. So overall, it's not a bad burner, it does the job. So that's it. See you in the next video.